Say goodbye to hair loss, Russian recipe for strengthening hair roots. If you're wondering how to stop hair from falling out, here is a great home remedy for treating hair loss. Hair loss can make both man and woman feel worried and upset. This condition may be caused by many number of factors, from genetic predisposition and hormonal fluctuations to physical stress and even emotional issues. Although it can affect adults of all ages, our hair naturally grows weaker and become more prone to falling out as we grow old. As the number of people who suffer from hair loss increases, so does the amount of product they promise to fix the problem. Most of these products, however, are expensive and can create harmful side effects. Before running to the pharmacy, try this natural remedy that we are going to show you in this video. It's a homemade remedy invented by a Russian doctor who guarantees that it's an excellent alternative for hair loss, being great at strengthening your hair and regenerating the roots of your hair. The best part is that the only ingredient you need is cheap and easy to find: carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and a great source of beta-carotene, which is great for hair, vision, skin, and nails. All you need is to grate some fresh carrots and massage them onto the roots of your hair. Wait for 15 minutes and then wash your hair as you normally would. Repeat this procedure for 5 days in a row. Always follow the same order. First massage the carrot into your hair and then wash it. When you feel that your hair is stronger, you can start doing this treatment only once a